Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my very good friend here, Jeanette. We're actually gonna do a very fun, crazy kind of challenge today. So it's actually gonna be a blindfold challenge where I'm gonna be blindfolded, I'm gonna do her makeup and vice versa. So I'm kind of excited to see how it's gonna happen. Are you?
I am. I'm a little nervous, but
it's gonna be, that's the whole point. It's gonna be really, really fun. It doesn't matter how bad it looks or even how good it looks. It shows us how good we are at our talent, right?
we'll see.
Before we get started, actually, my friend here, Jeanette, I've known for 6 years now? Almost 6 years.
6 years.
Wow.
I know. I think about that. It's like that Facebook memory thing
Yes.
popped up recently.
Yep. We've known each other from our day jobs. I'm not gonna mention who it is. I've known this girl when she was just started dating her husband now, and they're expecting a baby. I'm so excited. It's gonna be a December baby too.
It is.
It's gonna be
and
awesome.
our birthdays are December.
Yes! We've always, ever since we've known each other, we've celebrated our birthday together every single year, and it's been so much fun, and I'm so glad that we're friends. So, just to let you guys know, she is actually an ambassador for Unique Cosmetics. If you guys would like to check out her information, I'll leave her information in the description box if you want to purchase some of her stuff. All right, so let's get started.
Awesome.
So who do you want to start first?
I guess I'll blindfold first.
Okay, sounds good.
And
hope for the best.
Hope for the best. So we'll put this on, and I guess you're gonna guide me?
Yes, so she is gonna do my makeup. We're gonna keep it very basic because we can't go too glam on blindfold, let's just be honest here. But we already had everything kind of prepped. We wet the sponges and all that stuff, so.
Hold me up.
All right, let's start with, here's the brush, here's the, blah, blah, blah.
The blender?
Thank you, yes, the beauty sponge, whatever the hell you want to call it. And I'll put the foundation on the sponge for you, and then you can go from there. All right, there you go.
Okay, so step one.
Foundation.
Foundation.
It's gonna be fun. All right.
Where is your face?
All right, let's go. There it is.
Okay.
This feels so weird.
Okay.
You got my eye. Okay, let's just go. Let's do it.
I'm going for
Let's
it.
do it.
We're going for it.
We already started, whatever. Ah, you got on my tooth. That's okay. All right, keep going. Let me get my hair out of the way.
You might want to close your mouth.
I did.
Okay. All right.
Okay, you ran out of foundation, so let me put you a little bit more.
Okay.
So you get the rest of the face because you missed my forehead. All right, here is my forehead right there. There you go. Lower. You're going in my hair now. Okay. Now you're going into my temple, my eyes. Okay.
I don't know. Okay. Okay.
All right. I think we're good.
Next.
Oh, jeez. Oh, no. Okay. I'm not saying anything.
Don't look. Don't look.
Okay. Actually, let's do this. I'm not going to see my face until after we're done. Is that better?
Yes.
Okay.
You have to have the reveal.
Okay, that's cool. All right. So do you want me to put on the concealer where I need it and then you're going to blend it out, or do you want to put it onto the sponge?
Just put it on the sponge.
Okay, let's do that. We're going to use the Maybelline, bless you, Jinx. Sorry, you cat sneezing. We're gonna use the Maybelline New York Ain't Rewind Concealer in the color Neutralizer. You're fine.
Okay.
All right, let me get the sponge. Hold on, it fell. Okay. All right, hand. Here is under my eye. There you go.
Where is?
There's my face.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
And funnily enough, guys.
I don't know how blended this is.
Wait, I think you're gonna have to use a sponge to blend it out because just put it on. All right, here's the sponge. Right here. There you go. Okay, yep, you're good.
Oh no, the crevices of your face.
You're fine.
This is
You're in the
dumb.
right area, so you're okay. All right, I guess next is the powder to set it in place, or whatever the hell we are gonna set in place. Okay, so I'll put some on the sponge, and then you could put it where you need to. Here's the sponge,
Okay.
and face is right here. And then
Did the whole thing just fall off?
no,
Okay.
you're good.
Close your mouth. Close your eyes. Dangerous.
What's your normal routine, Jeanette? Do you do the face first and then eyes, or eyes and face?
I always do face first.
Me too. I always find it easier for some reason.
And then if I need to, I usually just have to fix whatever fallout I get under my eye, but I don't know. I feel like it's more complete to have the base.
That's true, yeah. I feel like when I do my eyes first, I feel like I look like a zombie.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, I guess what's next? Eyebrows. So just to make life easier, we're gonna use a pencil because that pomade is gonna be just a big mess we don't wanna deal with. All right. Oops, I think I got the wrong one. I actually got a new one, hold on. Let me go grab it real quick and I'll be right back. Stay right there. Here you go, my lady. It's already, I already got some out of it.
Like
there you go.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Like,
my eyebrows are right there. There you go. It's gonna be awesome. Don't forget my arch, okay? And I'm gonna give you a spoolie so you can blend it out too.
I don't know.
Oh man. Okay, yep, there you are.
Okay.
Oh, no, you went into my hair, okay.
Let me see about fixing this side. Okay.
I don't think you went anywhere on my eyebrow, but it's all right. All right, next step. Do you want to contour?
Okay.
And blush?
Contour and blush.
Okay. We're gonna use the Smashbox, right? However we can, I guess.
I don't know that they're gonna be anatomically correct, but.
So we're gonna use the Smashbox Trio. It's like a highlighter and contour trio. And here is the brush. And here I'll put it into.
Yeah, you gotta get the color for me.
I got you. Okay, there you go.
Okay.
And the hollow of my cheek is going to be right there. There you go. There you go.
Yes. Cheekbones for
days.
days.
Cut those cheeks.
Okay.
All right. Do you go on the forehead too?
For
contour? Yeah, you need some more product. Hold on.
Okay.
You're in my hair.
I don't know. I can't see. And then while we're at it, we'll like
cut that under cheek.
Do the jawline. Okay.
Right? Okay.
And then some blush.
Blush.
And some highlight.
Yeah. By the way, guys, since I've known Jeanette for such a long time, she was actually my go-to girl for makeup. The only makeup that I knew when I first started with her was eyeliner and mascara. That's all I do. And she always had like the nicest blending with eyeshadows, and she always had the craziest colors, and I loved her for it. It was actually pretty awesome. And I went to her to learn a lot of stuff, and she actually taught me how to blend eyeshadow. So I was like, yay, I learned my makeup from there on. So thank you for that.
Oh, I remember that's how we got to talking, because you had this bright blue that you would wear, and I loved that.
That's true. Yeah, I mean, that's actually where our biggest conversation was makeup.
Right.
We always had the love for it. So makeup brought us together. Right?
Okay.
All right, so cheeks are right there.
I'm just gonna paint them all. Your face is not over there. Where am I going?
Well, I'm closing my eyes so you don't poke me in the eye. That's why I can't see where you're going. Okay.
All right, highlight.
Next highlighter.
Highlight it up.
Okay, so here's the highlighter brush. Let me actually put some product on there for you. Jeanette, can you do a very subtle highlight for me? I don't want to be too much. Whatever you can do so far.
I'm like crying under it.
Guys, this is a very fun challenge. I'm just saying. If you guys are watching this, do it at home and see what you guys come up with. It's really fun, right?
It is. And like you could do this with your significant other.
Yeah. Hey.
If they'll let you. I think that'd be even funnier.
Hey, if you guys want to become famous, let your significant other do it. Just do it. Don't even argue. You know your woman is right.
Don't
Just do
ask
it.
permission.
Exactly. The best part is, or actually even a funner one, do it while they're sleeping. That one's gonna be good. I'm gonna ask my significant other to do it. Okay, and here's the brush, and I already have product on there. Oh yes, my nose. There you go. Okay. Highlighter is on. Next, eyeshadow, right?
Yes.
All right, do you want to do something as simple as possible?
Sure.
Okay. I'm gonna grab a blending brush.
I can't even guarantee it's gonna make it more.
Whatever, we're just gonna go with it. All right, do you want browns or crazy colors?
Do crazy.
All right, purple?
Sure.
Purple it is. We're gonna go with the darkest purple.
You're wearing purple, so.
Yes, I am, so it'll match what I'm wearing at least. So I'm gonna go with the darkest purple in the palette. I'm actually using the Tarte Holiday palette. As you can see, it's a very loved palette, but it's good and I like it, so don't judge me.
That's a good sign.
Exactly. All right, here you go. And my eye. I'm gonna close my eye so you don't poke me. It's gonna be right there.
Okay.
There's my crease.
I'm so sorry.
This is gonna be fun.
Beautiful.
Yep.
It'll be so beautiful.
Oh, you know.
Okay.
You know what? You know which makeup I loved on you the most? Your wedding makeup. It was gorgeous. I loved it. Like they made your eyes pop so much. It was insane. Did you do or did you go somewhere to get it done?
No, I actually had it done for the sake of time.
Oh yeah.
I'm stressed.
Uh-huh.
But I had lash extensions too, so I think.
Oh yeah, that
like,
usually lashes
really
help a
helped.
lot.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Okay, do you want to go with another color now or?
Yeah.
Okay, let me put in a darker color, darker purple. Okay, use the same blending brush. Just gonna go with it.
Okay. And then give me a we'll do a lighter.
Okay, on the lid.
On the brow bone, yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you you want a tapered brush or a smaller one?
Honestly, it doesn't matter right now.
It don't care. All right, so I'm gonna put a highlighter color for the brow.
Okay.
Cool. Don't forget those inner corners too.
Okay.
Okay. Last but not least, I think we're gonna do the lip.
Yeah.
Okay. So for the lip, I'm using the Bare Minerals one right here. It's in the color Swag. It's a mattifying one. Okay, so I'm gonna give you the little spoolie handle, whatever the hell to call it.
I don't know. I'm sorry if you look like a clown.
There you go.
Okay, I don't know. We're not.
All right, I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna put my lips together.
There you go. Just mix it up. Mix
All
it
right.
up. Blend it in. Blend it in.
All right, Jeanette, you ready for the reveal?
See how it did.
Okay, let me get the mirror. Okay, ready for your blindfold?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Like, count me down.
3, 2, 1. Is it that bad?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god! What is going on here? Oh jeez. Oh, I guess this is my eyebrow. This is my lip right here. And this might be blended. Oh jeez.
Good coverage. Good coverage.
Yeah, the coverage, good job with the foundation. Okay, so I feel very pretty right now. Okay, so now I guess it's your turn, huh?
Yeah. Gosh, I'm nervous.
It's okay, just go with it.
Okay, so we're gonna start with some foundation. This is a latte. Okay.
You're meant for the camera. This is awesome.
We're gonna sponge that right here.
Okay.
Let me get my hair out of the way.
Yes, that's a good idea. Yeah, you almost got it like all the way up to my hair right here.
And I'll move closer.
Okay. Add my hands.
Here's my face. Okay.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, it's cold.
Oh, sorry. Okay, cheek, right? Chin. Head.
Yep.
There we go. Okay. I don't. What is this? Your mouth. You have the cutest nose. I never noticed. She has a cute button nose. I love it. Good.
Yeah.
For now. Okay. Next.
And then I'm gonna give you concealer.
Okay.
Are you good?
Yep.
Did you want to blend?
Yeah.
There you go.
We're gonna have to one way.
I feel like you're doing a way better job than I did. So
I
just
kind of
throw that out there.
I think I kind of learn from my clients, but at least I get to see when I put my makeup on my clients because they're paying me, so I have to do good. Next.
Okay. We'll do a contour.
Okay. No, this is your hair. Oops, sorry. Okay.
All right.
Next.
And then let me get you
You look so pretty, Jeanette.
some blush.
Okay, next.
Let me get you some highlight.
Yes. You gotta go with that highlighter, you know, makes what brings a look together.
You want that anime sparkle.
Exactly. Oh, by the way, she loves animes. This is why we're going with this. Hey, do you still play Pokemon?
No.
Aw. I stopped playing it for a while after like the hype went away, but a friend of mine still plays it, and there's like all these new characters in there. There's like special characters and like diamond editions or something like that. So I'm intrigued. I want to play it again.
It just got not as fun for a minute.
That's true. Yeah, it got pretty boring because after the challenges kind of went away.
This is eyebrow.
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
I think we forgot.
Yes.
Okay.
Did you hear the new iPhone launch today?
I read a little bit of it.
Yeah, I was watching while I was at the dentist. They were cleaning my teeth. Yep. Hey, the dentist is pretty boring, so I have to keep myself entertained, but at least I actually got to gain some knowledge on it. Oh, by the time you guys are watching this, it's gonna be a week late because I film in advance, so. Okay, there's a spoolie that I have in the thing. Let me try to blend it out, whatever I possibly can.
Okay.
Oops, sorry. Are you poking you?
You're all right.
All right, do you want to do funky colors like me for the eyeshadow?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, next.
We'll go with it.
Okay.
Let's do this first impression.
Yes.
Impressionism.
Yeah, I love first impressions. All right.
There you go.
Blending brush?
Yeah.
Okay. I usually hold it from the tip. And, oh, I'm poking something. There it is. All right, more product, please.
I'm so scared. I'm scared.
By the way, she can, oh, sorry. She can't see herself, so it's gonna be a reaction for both of us. All right, do you wanna do another color?
Okay.
All right. Last but not least, I think it's the lipstick?
Yep.
Or lip gloss?
Which one did we use on you?
I got the Bare Minerals.
Okay, so this is the Ipsy Unzipped.
Yes. Oh, is that from the Ofra collection?
Yes.
Yes, I love Ofra.
But the cap kind of came off.
Oh yeah. I don't know why, like when they put the glue, like when I took the cap off, it was so oily. It was weird.
Okay, I'll help you with this one.
Yes. Is that your lips?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, I think we're good. Probably want to like pump your lips together.
Smack them. All right.
Right? Oh, I have some setting spray. We forgot about that. It's somewhere here. Oops, sorry.
Ah.
Sorry, I almost poked your eye out. I love this one. It makes your face feel so refreshed. Okay, here it is.
Smells nice.
Yes. Am I getting any on your face?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I think we're good.
Okay.
Ah, refreshing. Oh, I didn't put any on mine, did I?
No, I didn't.
Okay, let me just do it real quick. With the blindfolds. All right, so I guess that completes both of our looks for today.
All right.
All right, ready?
Ready? Let's do the reveal.
Did you get the mirror?
No.
Okay.
I'll do the blindfold and you can look first and then we'll grab the mirror.
Okay.
Okay.
Countdown.
3, 2, 1.
I got nowhere on your eyebrows. Oh, shit. Oh, you gotta see this. The eyebrows. Cirque du Soleil, if you guys are looking for some employees, you got them right here. I'm just saying. I love the lipstick though. Did I get any contour on you? Somewhat. Like, yeah, it's super patchy, but it's okay. Well, guys, hope you liked this video. We actually had a lot of fun doing this. We look hilarious, but that's the part of this challenge. I can't. Okay, guys, well, I had a lot of fun. Did you?
Yeah.
I had so much fun doing this. If you guys want to see more of these crazy challenges, please put in the description box of what other challenges are out there that you guys would like us to do. Me and Jeanette, we're partners in crime. So we've been there together through, I don't know, thick and thin, I guess you could say. So we've been through our ups and downs with makeup. We've learned a lot from each other. So any kind of fun challenges you guys out there, I guess me and you are down to do it again, right?
Yeah, let us know and we'll get on it.
Yes. With that being said, guys, have a good day.